The problem of isolation as a small business owner is real. I'm Pat Miller, founder of the Idea Collective's small business community. Family and friends don't understand what it takes to be successful, so we reach out in an attempt to find others that do understand. When we do, we build a network of professionals who we can buy stuff from and sell things to. But there's something missing. What's missing is understanding and support, and that comes from a community. Community, it's a step above networking. It offers deeper, more meaningful interactions. In a community, relationships are based on shared experiences and collective growth, not just profit. You can talk about practical advice and get genuine support beyond mere business transactions. How do you handle a difficult client? Or how do you brainstorm for a lead you're trying to close? You can work together and get real solutions. In an algorithmic world where we can feel isolated by social media feeds, it's imperative to find others that are willing to give and receive in a real relationship. So where do we look? Try your local PPA chapter or Facebook groups where your photography specialty hangs out, or simply start up a lunch meeting with others that you respect and begin the conversation. Community is so much more important than network, and everyone should have one. Remember, it's your dream. Don't grow it alone.